Sprout. I got Sprout. Oh my god, he's disgusting. The sounds he makes is just what? It's a dinosaur. It's literally a dinosaur. His footsteps, they sound like he's stepping on like freaking sticks. I don't know why, but I got Sprout. I got freaking Sprout. There's no exact way. How I got him on floor 5. Floor 5. Boxton, leave me alone. I'm trying to freaking record a video here. Dang it, now I'm at 1 heart. You stinky Boxton. Hate Boxton. Oh, he's getting in my way. But yeah, I got freaking Sprout. Oh my god, he's disgusting. Frick, he's coming.
Thanks for coming over. I'll see you next time.
No, he's coming in my area.
You need to pick some leftover. Oh no, thank you. I'm already so full. Thank you so much. No, you take a food home. You leave it without leftover. No, really, I'm fine. Why don't you have to be at home?
Oh my god, he's huge.
No, of course I popped it. Then take it. You don't want to make me feel bad.
This is my first time getting Sprout.
Okay, sure, I'll take some. Good.
Oof, I'm all alone. I'm all alone. With a freaking Sprout. Gotta be careful from Boxton. I have 1 heart.
So I've been to the Hello Kitty Cafe in California. And obviously, it's so cute. But when I found out there was a Rio Cafe in Japan, I had to see it for myself. And it did not disappoint. There was a cinema roll driving a truck, giant Sanrio mugs, and the ceiling, and of course, super cute food. I wanted to get food of every Sanrio character there. Can you like and subscribe before I review what I ate? In 3, 2, 1. Let's read Spice Crate. A Marinari ice cream cone, Hello Kitty steam bun, Pop-Up bread souffle, cinnamon coffee, Karaoke smoothie, and last but not least, Gudetama and Kuromi ice cream. Which Sanrio food would you order? I've been to the Hello Kitty Cafe in California, and obviously.
Oh my gosh, this is scary.
What do you think it is?
You guys, Sprout is right there.
I know it's not the necklace you wanted.
Imagine getting seen by him. God, I watch videos of people encountering Boxton. Why would you do this to me? Oh crap! Sprout saw me, guys. Sprout saw me. I'm dead. I'm freaking dead. Yep, guys, I'm dead. Rip. Rip. Toodles. Rip me. Rip Toodles. Rip me. Rip Toodles. Alright, goodbye, everybody. Rip. Dang it! Goodbye.